we're going to go hot air ballooning, and we're getting picked up at 4 a.m. So currently 9 p.m. If we fall asleep now, we'll get 7 hours sleep. So anyway, hot air ballooning tomorrow.
Because you make me cry, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. Then I gonna hit the road by myself, and I wonder if you wanna call me back tonight, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. When you kick me out, kiss goodbye. I wanna kick the door because you make me cry, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. Then I gonna hit the road by myself, and I wonder if you wanna call me back tonight, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. My fresh shoes on with my fresh cologne. Baby, won't you take me back into your ozone? To your ozone. To your ozone. Because your ice cold heart got me cold to the bone. Baby, won't you take me back into your ozone? Into your ozone. Into your ozone. You make me cry, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. Then I gonna hit the road by myself, and I wonder if you wanna call me back tonight, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. When you kick me out, kiss goodbye. I wanna kick the door because you make me cry, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. Then I gonna hit the road by myself, and I wonder if you wanna call me back tonight, but it ain't gangsta. It ain't gangsta. My fresh shoes on with my fresh cologne. Baby, won't you take me back into your ozone? To your ozone. Because your ice cold heart got me cold to the bone. Baby, won't you take me back into your ozone? Into your ozone. Into your ozone.
We got up at 3:30. We were supposed to go hot air ballooning, but it was too windy, which didn't show up on the forecast, so that's why we bothered in the first place. Wasted a few hours this morning. Anyway, we went to Babinda Boulders after that, and now we're at Josephine Falls. It's incredible. I've never seen water so clear that you're allowed to swim in. It's amazing.
else.
Alright, we took a last minute turn off into a dairy farm with lots of cheese, and we just bought heaps of dairy stuff and bought the last 2 pies, so it's only right that we review them.
Chicken pies, delicious home style filling, bit of paprika on top, nice touch. Structural integrity is a 2, but the filling is a
Savage.
10.
Amazing. We were just at Eddie Bay, saw a cassowary, took lots of photos. Some people got grumpy at me because I was taking photos of it. Anyway, sorry about that. We're moving on. We're trying to get to Milla Falls, which is in the Atherton Tableland region, because we're going to be nearby for hot air ballooning take 2 tomorrow, potentially. Yep. Fuck that. I was just trying to look at the fish. I don't want no trouble, Mr. Snake. Excuse me. Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you crossing the road? Answer me. Why you do this?